Using Splash's Zoom or BlueJeans webinar integrations, you can send guests their unique join URLs using the Splash email sender. This gives you full control over the design, branding, and timing of your webinar emails. Here's how it works. In Splash, a user with an admin or integration specialist role will disable confirmation emails sent from Zoom or BlueJeans. This is a one-time step performed in the Integrations Manager. Now, for any event integrated with Zoom or BlueJeans, all the event host needs to do is insert the Zoom or BlueJeans join URL tag into their emails. This is what provides each guest a unique webinar link. So it's highly recommended you include this tag in your confirmation emails. You can insert the tag as a button link or directly into the email body. It's also a good practice to include this tag in all of your pre-event reminder emails. Hosts typically send one or more out the day of the webinar. Inside the event's guest list, you can see each webinar join URL and even click to copy it quickly if a guest loses their email. The result? You're able to offer your guests a fully branded attendee journey while making it easy to join your Zoom or BlueJeans webinars.